Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Hey, no, can I get in? Can I get in? This yours, man? Sounds good, dude. Did you do it?
SKV 4500.
4500, okay.
On all four, and they're wired down to a half ohm.
Half ohm, okay. So what, do you know the box specs, like tuning and size and all?
It's 30 hertz to 22 cubes.
22 cubes, okay, wow. Is that concrete, or how did you do that?
That's,
just curious.
I didn't want straight boards coming down, because
Yeah.
it like gets in my head, like I gotta have contour.
Yes, sir.
So I used foam behind it.
Okay.
And then I used fiberglass. I just still got a lot of fucking,
good idea.
I got a lot of fucking sanding to do on it.
Yes, sir. Okay. Well, thanks for the demo. What was your name?
I'm Shane Miller. Man.
Shane Jacob. Appreciate it, man. Nice to meet you. Yep. You too. serious, man?
Yeah.
Sounds good, dude.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at SKAR, XplicitAudio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.